Now, 9 graded stakes contestants will face the starter in Saturday's third running of the Winston Fanna Griffiths O.D Classic over 9.5 furlongs. The feature event on the 10-race card at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington has our racing preview.
Fitzroy Gillespie's 3-year-old chestnut colt Money Miser, to be ridden by Shamari Muir, is the 2-1 anti-post favourite, ahead of Power From Above at 5-2 with champion jockey Dane Dawkins, Burlap with Javanil Pattison at 3-1, and Princess Sharon at 4-1 to be partnered by Paul Country Francis. Money Miser, who finished second in the Jamaica Derby, St. Ledger and 2,000 guineas, appeared to be the one they all have to beat. He will surely get the distance, and having worked well at exercise, he should record his first victory in over 3 months. He should also benefit by running on if stable companion Princess Sharon decides to go on the headlines early. Champion jockey Dane Dawkins has retained the ride on Power From Above, who finished second to Mamma Mia in the Jamaica Oaks, an indicator that he believes that the 3-year-old chestnut filly is capable of producing another encouraging effort. The Richard Azan trained Burlap, who is on the improve, will be seeking a hat-trick of victories, and despite moving up in class, the 3-year-old Bay Colt should be on the premises at the business end. The field is completed by Essential Quality with Radish Roman, Life is Life, to be ridden by Jerome Innes, California Gold, the mount of Ramon Napier, Richie Rich with leading jockey Ryan Lewis, and Strike Smart, the mount of 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker. This event is slated for 4:45 p.m. First post for the 10-race card is 11:45 a.m. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
Jamaica.